10-12 rounds of tiger breathing. Also, you can activate the shoulder blades, you can activate the tailbone. Rest back after about 10-12 rounds and then come back for about 15 rounds of single leg pulses. You can do anywhere from 10 to 15 rounds depending on the level of your practice. Next we'll be doing some joint movements, okay? So first thing is grab your leg a little up, your hips can open. Gently swing it around the hip a little bit, okay? Grab your leg from inside so that you can pull it. Yeah. All these movements are going to be slightly hard. Okay, then pull it over. Adjust the body weight to push the hips back and then try to stretch down. So you can also slightly push and hold it for a while. Relax it. Push and hold it for a while, relax it. Yeah, do that about 5 to 7 rounds this side and then on the other side. Okay? Lower back id madbardu anaga, you have to keep your hip squared, core engaged and gently pulse. Yes. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ knee fold ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, no problem. Yes, you have to do that. Single leg pulses. About 10, 12, 15 depending on the level of your practice. Don't compensate the posture and do the practice for the number of rounds. Form and posture important though. Rest for a while. After doing single leg pulses, we will also do some scorpion stretches on the floor. 2 variations of scorpion stretch. One scorpion stretch gotte ide. Innondu twist. Okay? Inside twist also we'll do for about 2-3 rounds. Okay? One is scorpion, 2 rounds, and the other one is in scorpion. Inner twist. Okay, do slowly. Next, with both the legs. Okay, one last movement here. Widen out one by one the legs. Okay, and slowly feeling around. Gently, you have to push your body weight onto your inner thighs and then slowly stretch. Okay? So when you're putting some extra effort and you feel there is an extra effort is needed, so try not to hold the breath, instead ease your breath more. Whenever E for effort is there, E for exhalation, okay? Or you can do okay, when you exhale the body relaxes more. About 30 rounds, and once you're done with that, we'll slowly head into stand. Like this. I'll show you once again. So, left hand, right leg. Even left leg also you can fold. Okay, fold it and twist. Come back. Right hand, left leg fold and twist. Come back. Okay? Lower back stiffness ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಿಫ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಮಾರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾಲು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Single leg, yeah, exactly. You have to go, the approach towards the twist is different. Yes, correct Padma. Only thing is, ee kaal salpa hindgade irutte, ee kaal salpa jaasti munde irutte. Ashte. Madi, explore madi. Try to do it 2-3 rounds. Yeah. Did you understand, KP? ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ KP ಕಾಲ್ನ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ KP. Yes. Like that. Same inner twist, but we are doing it in a different way. Let's come to stand. So we'll head into some therapeutic stretches. Now these stretches, one thing is it'll give length in the muscle, and one thing is it'll coordinate the body, breath and mind. So basically it is going to bring back all the rhythm in the body back. So usually the stress levels are the reasons, for our stiffness or whatever disturbances. So we are going to just bring back the nervous system into a little more balanced state. So all these are very therapeutic stretches. We will be doing this repeatedly for about 15 days. If your body responds well, then we can slowly progress also. Depends on the system and the body. Depends on the consistency of the practice. Okay, I'll be showing you the side posture and I'll be showing you one round. Second round, repeat it along with me. And the next 10 rounds, you can do it by yourself. Okay, so we'll stand straight with your foot parallel, arms besides. Okay, raise your arms up, nicely lifting from the ribs, and slowly raise your heels up. Drop your heels down, slowly drop your arms down. Ellaru banni Shashankasana rest ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ heels up and arms down. Now basically, see, breath is a natural thing which will get coordinated. So what I want you to do is focus more on the body, physical body, movements, feel of the movements, and breath will automatically coordinate. So don't start breathing in and then do the movement. Start the movement, the breath will follow the movement by itself. Okay, do it for 10 to 12 rounds. Shashankasana, Adhomukha Svanasana, Urdhvamukha Svanasana, 3 rounds. Anaga, ನಿದ್ದೆಯಿಂದ ಎದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾ. Okay, try to feel the stretch at the back of your thighs. Yeah, you can loosen up like Lakshmi is doing here. You can do a little pedaling movements so that you can feel freedom, and keep the legs little wider. Kaal salpa agla itkoli. In the beginning, the hamstrings will not be open so much. Also, you can have reduced distance, and also see, you can have the knees little soft, and then you can feel as if your ribs are hugging in and also pushing towards the sockets. Feel agtidya stretch? Yes. And then slowly drop the knee down. Change the mat and see another whether you'll be able to do King Cobra. Pelvic opening. Yeah. So we'll do this for about 3 rounds, okay? Slowly. Yeah, correct. Togotuna. So only thing, there should be slowly a rhythm will form in your body as you do, but exhalation through the nose only. Don't do it through the mouth. Mouth exhalation is why we do, I'll tell you, when you do very high dynamic practices, you're using more muscles, more intensity is there, then you need exhalation through the mouth. Otherwise, we are doing mild movements and we are improving the lung capacity, so you need to really work with the nostril breathing. Don't strain the neck so much, but just work on the collarbones. So 3 rounds we will do, down dog, up dog, and then we will head into a half dog stretch or a puppy stretch. Whomever I have introduced half dog, do half dog, and whomever I have introduced puppy stretch, do a puppy stretch. Also puppy stretch na neevu half dog indane attempt ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Knees hip width, toes in. This is half dog stretch. You have to hold the half dog stretch where your forehead is down and still the armpit is not touching, but the armpits are stretching, back of the shoulders are stretching. Then breathe in, breathe out. Slowly head into puppy stretch. Take your time to do the puppy stretch. Half dog first stretch ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ puppy stretch ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Okay? And rest all just do half dog stretch. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ I've taught you half dog stretch. ಅದು ಮುಖ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಮುಖ ವೀರಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Two more stretches I'll show you. Second one is lateral stretch. Okay. Breathe in. Yes, correct agide. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, working on the shoulder blades. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, turn the palms up so that your shoulders can rotate. Breathe out. Exactly. 10 rounds. Neck ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಪದ್ಮ? ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. And little more friend. Understood? Yeah. Yeah, your chin can also touch. Absolutely. Only thing, control it from the quads and your glutes, where I'm holding it. Okay, now we'll walk back. Okay, and let's come into the standing position. Down dog in the rest ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಅದು ಮುಖ ಶ್ವಾನಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ ಮುನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀಸ್ನ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ, and then slowly walk. And try to come into this forward fold position. ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ, ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Try to stretch for a while. Hold on for a while. Breathe for a while. And then use your hands to the thighs. Look forward. Inhale all the way. Come back. Take a moment. Relax for a while. Close your eyes or walk around. Whatever you want to do. Then we're going to head into Surya Namaskara. ನೀವು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2 ರೌಂಡ್. KP ನೀವು inchworm walking ಮಾಡಿ. Interlock fingers. Okay, foot parallel. Arm up. Arm down. So basically we're stretching the whole trunk. Breathe in. Breathe out. So interlocked fingers should stretch upwards. Yeah. Inchworm walk. Inchworm walk ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Surya Namaskar. So we'll start from the back of the mat for inchworm walking. Come to Namaskara Mudra. Parvatasana, neutral lower back. Arms down, knees bent. Hugging. Look forward. Walk your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. High plank. Push. King Cobra. Back to down dog. Breathe for a while.
Walk your hands slowly. Come into forward fold. Open your arms, open your chest. Come up. Neutral lower back. Lifting from the ribs, Parvatasana. Back to Namaskarasana. Tadasana. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Inchworm walk. Inchworm walk is called. So, or inchworm walk, ಇದು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು inchworm walk ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. There we jump the legs, here we walk the hands. Lakshmi, if you feel comfortable after one round of classical Surya Namaskara, take 3 rounds of inchworm walk. ನೀನು inchworm walk ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರನೇ ಮಾಡು. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀನು ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡು. Trunk twist, okay? So keep the legs hip shoulder width apart, okay? And twist your lower back, okay? Along with that, open your arms. Breathe in. So one arm comes to the chest, one arm opens, okay? And we try to twist from the trunk. Exactly. Try to shift your focus more on the body. You tell me when you're doing the movements, first focus is on the breath, right? So change your focus towards the body first. Understand your shoulder, understand your hip, understand your waist, understand the joints. Try to shift that. Yeah. The moment you start your body, what is your body doing? What plane it is moving? How is your shoulder stretching? How is your chest lifting? How is your trunk twisting? Try to register those things. So do it a couple of rounds more, okay? Two rounds. Slow ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Don't rush. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪದ್ಮ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪದ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಂಡಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೋಬ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕೋಬ್ರಾದಿಂದ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಧೋಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಧೋಮುಖದಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ವೈಡರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ಪುಷ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಿಪ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so we'll push the hip joint to the right, slightly open the left foot, push the body, and then stretch out the arm. Come back. So where I want you to use your hand is exactly into these sockets. Okay, so I'm pushing the hips to the left, turning the right foot, pressing the groin more so that the body can stretch, and then I extend the arm. Don't look up, look forward. And see, the arm should open like this. Collarbone to shoulder should open. Exactly. Then come back. Don't look up, okay? Keep looking forward. Let your head stay in line with your spine. Don't hang the head. Yeah. Let it, yes. Come back. So otherwise what will happen when we do? Either head will come forward, it will do like this. So keep the back of the head chin tucked, control. Keep the head in line with your neck and try to do the movement.
That's why I'm telling movements, focus on the movements, so that we are able to understand each and every movement. Yeah. Breath is a natural thing, it will happen by itself. The moment you feel the breath is becoming heavy, just take a pause. That's all. Each side you need to do about 7 to 8 rounds. 4 round ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪದ್ಮ, ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆಗ್, ಕಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ and switch. So it will be a little more better for the breath also. Then forward, then continue. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Relax for a while. Next vrikshasana ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, tree pose, then chair pose. So new total 4 rounds and Santoshi only 2 rounds, KP 4 rounds. ನೀವು 1 round ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 rounds inchworm walk ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. inchworm walk ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, we will be heading into vrikshasana, tree pose. Over. Just rest for a while. Did you rest? Close your eyes. Okay. I've added vrikshasana also for you, right? We'll head into vrikshasana. Near the wall you try. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪದ್ಮ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Let's go down and use the hand support, drop the knees, and let's push the heels out and sit back. Okay? You need to sit into your ankles. Knees closer. Yeah. Close the eyes, relax the collarbones, and just let your breath flow naturally. Don't put any effort, let it become effortless. Let everything become effortless in this moment for about next 10 to 20 seconds. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ KP 4 ರೌಂಡು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೃಕ್ಷಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ರೀ ಪೋಸ್. Okay, now open your eyes, use your hand support. Widen out your knees a little bit. Knees will go hip width, more than hip, and you'll join the big toes. Push the hips back. Extend the sides of the body. Drop the head. Okay, so the hands will be shoulder width apart. Yeah, keep your arms free and just stay there for a moment. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪದ್ಮ, 2 ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. Now, Santoshi, what is happening is you're balancing leg. You're pushing off the whole body weight onto the heels, if you observe. your knee is over flexing. So what is happening? The muscles are not getting involved there. You're feeling all the load on the joint, if I observe. So try to soften your knee and try to share your body weight into the front arch, outer arch, back and front, everywhere. Okay, and if need be, you can clinch the big toe nicely, tightly into the floor so that you can feel more grounded. Otherwise, your body weight is going on more on the hip. Before you release the hand, like that. You have to work on that practice. Okay. Utkatasana, simple chair pose. Okay.
Now from here, can I get your name once again? Siddharth. Okay, Siddharth. Okay. So let's come on to the hands from here.
Bringing the wrist below the shoulder, bringing the knees below the hips, okay, and then aligning the body, the spine parallel to the floor. So this would be a tabletop position, okay. Yeah, little more hands front, yeah, okay, and neutral, just neutral back. That means you're not coming forward also, you're not going, just maintaining the hip sockets here, okay? Take a moment, softly breathe, slowly release your hip sockets and gently look forward, lifting the collarbones, suck your belly in, ardha kati ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ardha chakrasana ಮಾಡಿ.
Lift your shoulder blades. Anaga Rani auntie ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು. Roll your hips.
Lift your chest. Suck your belly.
Lift your shoulder blades. Release your hips.
Open your chest. Suck your belly.
Lift your shoulder blades.
Okay, now use your arms properly, okay? So try not to give the whole weight on here. Then you will start finding your wrist pain. Distribute your body weight onto all the fingers so that you can have the weight sharing properly, because these techniques are important when we head into plank, when we head into all other practices which comes on the arms, to form the foundation here, okay? And also your toes should be back so that your shin bones are active. And this will not improve the ankle mobility. So like this, that. Yeah, let's continue for 10 rounds. Yeah, correct. That also I have taught you. Ardha Chakrasana, and then go ahead for Uttanasana. ನಾನು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹುಯ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಚಟ್ನಿಗೆ ರೆಡಿ, ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಚಟ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡುಗೆದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಣ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಸರು ಬೇಳೆ ನೆನೆಸಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ, 1/4 ಲೋಟ. ಹಾಂ, ಅದು ಸಾಕು. ಪದ್ಮ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಅಧೋಮುಖ ವೀರಾಸನ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಕರಾಸನ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ಲೈ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಉತ್ಥಾನಾಸನ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಾಸನ. Yourself, we will go down to the stomach, okay? Anything else I have taught you? Legs on the wall also I have taught you, right? We'll head into the legs on the wall first. Backdrop, beda ivattu. Opening goskara try to do like this. Okay. You try. You can go like that. ಧನುರಾಸನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪದ್ಮ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೈಲ್ಡಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. You're done? Please go ahead for the resting position once again, what we did in the beginning. Open your knees, push your hips back into the heels. Drop your head down completely. Extend. Shoulder na hege. How much tight it has become. Saku, shoulder rotations matra ಮಾಡಿ. Tight ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ full. Now do one more set, Siddharth. Tiger breathing. Bring back the measurements once again. Yeah. Cat and cow breathing or tiger breathing. Basically, it is to improve your spinal mobility. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ KP. ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಸ್. Are you able to feel the spinal stretch? Okay. And are you able to feel a little bit movement in your shoulders? Yeah, blades, correct. Yeah, correct. Exactly. Yes. Then also, are you able to feel a little bit of scooping of your hips from the hamstring? Okay, then slightly go a little more further. Yeah, now scoop. Now? Yeah, better. No problem. Just a mild stretch will come. Exactly. So now you're able to feel your abs getting contracted when you pull your belly in, right? Right. And when you open your belly, and you will feel your obliques getting stretched. Okay? Soften your elbows a little bit. Exactly. Now open your neck, look forward. This is what I want. Okay? Gentle squeezing of the shoulder blades, but opening of the shoulder joints. Exactly. Correct. Dhanurasana. So what we will do, for you people, you need to relax and then come to Sphinx and try Dhanurasana. Neevu, Padma.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆಲ್ವಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಹಿಡೀರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಡೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಆಂಕಲ್. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಶಿನ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್. And then open your shoulders. Then imagine the legs are coming towards each other. And open.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ಪು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ? And what we will do, how you will come to Sphinx pose?
Sphinx is supported cobra. Relax. Go back to the same position. Relax. Lie down on the stomach, Siddharth. I'll come back. Like all of us are lying, no? Like that.
So how you will do Sphinx, or how you will go into Sphinx?
ನೀವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಬ್ರಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. That is why your chest will be open. Okay, then fold your legs, grab. Your chest should be open only. Press into the pelvic, hold. Lift the legs and drop the legs. Lift the legs, drop the legs. Lift the legs, drop the legs. And after 3 rounds, you can drop your chest.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಾಲು ಹಿಡಿತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್. ಡಬಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಶಲಭಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೋರ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಟೈಟ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah. Finish? Enough. Come back. I'll tell you one more. First, do you remember the hamstring stretch, IT band stretch? Do those stretches. Okay? So next we'll be doing Cobra, Bhujangasana. Okay? Stretch out your legs in line with your hips. Out of the shoulders, let the hands come. Okay? Let the forehead beat down. So pressing into your pelvic floor muscles or top of your thighs on the floor. Lifting the shoulders. Lifting the chest. And slowly down. So don't keep the hands inside. Wherever the shoulders are there, outside the shoulders. This is a very beginner level approach what I'm showing you. So that we can bring mobility into the joints as well. So shoulder, this area, back. Okay? Chest. And slowly up. So watch my hands, they are semi-flexed only, my elbows. Okay, give it a try. Next, elru child's pose rest tagondu bend mel malkoli. We will be working into Setu Bandhasana, Ekapada Setu Bandhasana, Chakrasana. ನೀವು ಪದ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೆನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಸ್ ತಗೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. No, down. We'll still do a smaller cobra. This is, you're doing a little more intense. So use your hands back once again. Elbow. Okay. Now take your toes out. Legs. Bring your legs little more closer to each other. Right. Drop your forehead. Now slowly roll your shoulders back. Okay. Now when you're lifting, imagine you're lifting the ribs only up first. Okay. Lift the rib. Yeah. Now lift the rib. Along with the rib, lift your head also. Yeah. This is what everybody does mistake. Okay. Now see. Do not isolate the neck from the spine. Okay. So when you're isolating, how you will do? Neck only will come up. When your neck comes up, the chest doesn't move in our desired range. So when we have to really work from, imagine this whole part is moving like one unit. So I'm not moving from the head, you see. So the head is a part of your spine. Don't try to isolate and move it. See? If I do this, my shoulders will not open, my chest will not open. I will not be able to give the mobility of the upper back. So the whole of your upper back should lift. That's why I'm telling, lift the rib. Imagine your rib is coming up and your head is a part of your back. Try. Not the head. Come, that's it. Head is, that's all. Don't lift head much. Rib, that's it. Now I want you to look forward. Don't look up. Okay, down. Now if you want to remove your cervical strain, I'm going to teach you this back to back like this only. So don't get annoyed with that. Okay. So this is going and compressed on the area. The cervical should not get compressed.
Right.
You should maintain the length. Okay. Now let's lift up once again. Yeah. Chest. Yeah, chest. Now just look up, forward. That's it. That's all. And tuck your chin in.
down. The neck is too much moving, okay?
Try once again, slowly. ಸೊ ಪದ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷಿ 2-3 ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಒಂದು IT band, okay? This one on both the sides. Innondu supported hamstring stretch. Okay? One more is sleeping pigeon stretch. These are all the isometric stretches. And separately we are targeting those muscle groups. Okay, IT band muscle is the side thigh. Then in reclined pigeon you will be stretching the glutes, and in this you will be stretching the hamstrings. Okay, idishtunu ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೌಂಡ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶವಾಸನ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶವಾಸನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Yeah, so you will be able to feel the stretch here.
Correct, Padma. ಅದು IT band.
Yeah, far better. Now just try the same stretch, keeping the hands a little more back. Same stretch.
Chest, chest, chest. Yeah, that's it. Now just look forward, keep your neck in control. Correct, far better. Far better. Now you're able to feel your back, spine. Yeah.
Hug your knees. She's enjoying. She's getting a good massage. Relax.
Get a back.
Shins na navashtu activate madalvalla. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So this is why I tell sometimes when you're hugging, you need to activate this shin, okay, so that you can really press those areas. Relax. ಅದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಎತ್ತೋದು, ಕೈನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಹಾಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೀಗೆ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ?
So that is figure 4 stretch or reclined pigeon stretch. Okay, that's it, Siddharth, for today. We are time up.
So we'll just come back for some resting position here. I want you to roll back like this and take a moment to stay back in this position for a while. Resting hero's pose, so that your back feels comfortable. There is no strain before we head into Shavasana. Soften your breath. Smoothen your breath. And after a couple of breaths, we will lie down to the back, like everybody is lying. Okay? Let's lie down to the back. You can put your legs this side, head that side. And let's take Shavasana from here. Now, okay, we'll just talk 2-3 minutes after the class, okay? I just want to ask you a few things. So loosen up, make sure your whole body is free on the floor, your spine is comfortable, your back is comfortable, your legs are free, your arms are free. Keep the pelvic floor muscles open to the ceiling here. And allow the body to rest well on the floor. Be present in the moment.
As you observe your body after the practice, recognize those changes in the areas of your body, in all the parts of your body, right from your ankles to the knee joints, to the hip joints, to the shoulder joints, to the neck muscles, to the back muscles, to the chest muscles, to the abdominal muscles, to the hip muscles, to the thigh muscles, and towards the foot area. Also, try and recognize the beautiful changes in the system internally. It may be your digestive system, it may be your excretory system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, and the nervous system. The present state of your mind. Slowly you will start observing the muscles relaxing, restoring, coming back to zero resistance, effortless body. And now slowly bring your awareness to the breath. Just watch the effortless flow of the breath for a while. Don't pressurize. Don't put any effort on the breathing pattern. Just feel the breath as it flows. Slow, soft, smooth inhalation gradually and deep exhalation. Try not to do gross breathing, allowing the breath to remain lighter. Allow the system to breathe. Imagine as if the body is like a balloon here. When you inhale, the body will swell up, and when you exhale, the body will contract. The outermost layer of your body, the skin of your body, feels that gentle expansion and feels that gentle relaxation. Try to focus on the movement. Try to focus on the coordination. Try to be slow and smooth. Observe a rhythmic pattern in the body, breath. Enjoy this pattern of breath. A soothing and a calming breathing will help you to calm down the mind as well. And you will observe naturally the breath goes deeper. Letting go your breath, mentally prepare for Akara chanting. Inhaling deeply as you exhale, we'll chant 3 rounds of Akara. Inhale. Relax. Allow the breath to flow back by itself
deeply enjoy the vibrations of Akara, giving that soothing effect for the lower parts of the body. Mentally prepare for Ukara chanting. Inhale deeply. Relax. Just allow the breath to flow back by itself. Deeply sense the beautiful vibrations of Ukara soothing the middle parts of the body. Slowly bring back your awareness to the breath once again. Inhaling deeply while exhaling, chant Makara. The Makara will come behind your throat with your lips gently sealed like a honeybee humming sound. We'll try for 3 rounds. Inhale. Relax your facial muscles and relax your breath. Deeply enjoy the vibrations of Makara, which creates a resonance in the head region, in the crown part of your head. Also, you can sense in the frontal areas of the forehead, thereby soothing the whole system, bringing that lightness to the body, breath, and mind. Enjoy the bliss, keeping a smile on your face. Now slowly bring the attention back to the body. Start feeling your body, the gross body. Start feeling your legs and your arms. Then slowly we'll awaken the body by gentle movements. Start moving in your toes and fingers. And then start shaking the legs and your arms nicely. Then rotate at your ankles and your wrist a couple of rounds out and in. Then gently move your waist areas. And then gently move your neck areas. And then interlock your fingers and stretch your body once above your head. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, join your body together. Move your right hand on the floor straight up, left hand on the stomach. Bend your left leg and take a turn to the right, where you can fold both the legs and you can completely rest on the right side for a while. Soft breathing into the left nostril. And then as you inhale from the right side using your arm support, come up very gradually.
Come back into your starting meditative seated posture. Adjust your posture around your sitting bones. Rest your palms on your thighs. Any adjustments you want to make yourself comfortable into the meditative posture, we'll just take the posture for a moment, find some stillness, soften the breath. Softly breathe in and softly breathe out. And then bring your palms to the center of your heart. Namaskara Mudra. Let us end the practice by chanting 3 Omkaras and Shanti Mantra. Inhale smoothly. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Release the hands slowly, and if you're comfortable, grab them back behind. Open your chest and inhale here. And exhale, slowly stretch and bend forward as far as you're able to go. Surrenderism and gratitude towards Mother Earth. Inhalation, slowly come back. Release your hands and rub your palms. Bring the friction, bring the heat between the palms as you rub them. And then give that warmth over your eyes. Cup it on your eyes for a while. Let the eyes absorb the warmth, feel the warmth. And then massage your facial muscles with the tip of your fingers from the forehead and temples, gently on your eyebrows, circular movements on your eye areas, and into the sides of your nostrils, into your cheek areas, ears, back of the ears, through the jawline, from the chin towards your throat, sides of the neck, and dropping the chin into the back of the neck. When you open your eyes, try to gaze straight into your palms. Thank you. Have a good day, all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದನಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಫಸ್ಟಾ? ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. 5:45 ಅಂದರೆ 5:30, 5:35 ಇರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. 5:45 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.